Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo Ideapad don't respond, you're not alone. This could be due to dust and debris getting under the keys or a fault in the keyboard itself. Ignoring this issue can lead to further complications, making it harder to type and impacting your productivity. Let's get started with the tools you will need for this repair. You'll require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement keyboard compatible with your Lenovo Ideapad. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. To open your Ideapad safely, use a plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around, ensuring you don't apply too much force to avoid damaging the casing. Once open, locate the keyboard connector, which is usually situated near the top edge of the device. Gently disconnect the cable by lifting the locking mechanism and pulling the cable out. Now, you can access the faulty keyboard. Remove any screws securing the keyboard in place, taking care to remember their locations. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the keyboard from the device. Be cautious of any clips that may be holding it in place. With the old keyboard removed, take your new keyboard and position it correctly in the chassis. Reconnect the keyboard cable by sliding it back into the connector and locking it in place. Secure the keyboard by replacing the screws you previously removed. Before closing the back cover, double-check that all connections are secure and there are no loose components. To close your device, align the back cover carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad to ensure that the new keys are functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Kelatos. To prevent this problem from happening again, regularly clean your keyboard and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. This will help keep debris from building up under the keys. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.